My name is Keziah Ferguson, and I am a sculptor and visual artist based in South Wales. My favourite process is mould making and hot metal casting. Working with liquid metals is not only dangerous but also highly technical and involves a lot of preparation. Sand moulds are used for casting iron. They are made from densely packed sand infused with a silicate solution. When the mould is hardened, it is coated with mould wash before being glued and bound together. Before the pour, scrap iron needs to be broken into small pieces, ready to be fed into the furnace. At the heart of every iron pour is the team. When the metal coming out of that furnace is over 1200 degrees, you have to be vigilant and constantly looking out for each other. In the pour team, my role is a scraper. This means I scrape the waste material off the top of the liquid iron, in addition to directing the ladle and judging when a mould is full. It usually involves a lot of shouting. The whole process is just mesmerising. Iron pouring is such a beautiful art. You become transfixed by the fire and the sparks, not to mention the hot metal. It's an amazing feeling being able to work like this. It's a privilege, really. When you're making moulds, you're aware that there's an element of risk and it might work. What you're making might come out or you might lose everything. It teaches you to really take hold of the process and what you're going through and enjoying it when you can enjoy it, because it might get better, it might get worse.